If you want to take the magnetic closure out of wallets and purses, it is possible to do it yourself. I love this wallet, except not the magnetic closure. See? I was able to take it out. That's what happens. This is on the underside. And all I did, I took a letter opener and I just started wiggling it a little, just to lift it up slightly. And then I took a pair of junky scissors and then went under and just kind of did that a little bit at a time. And then you can start to see that's what it looked like from underneath. It just was here. So I just wiggled, and then wiggle, and then was able to pop it off. This is going out of the house quickly. And then I'm just going to put a snap here and here. I possibly might do Velcro, but that's all there is to it. You can do it yourself, and as you can see, minimal damage. Even if you didn't want to put any kind of closure on it and just be pretty careful holding your wallet, you can do that as well. Maybe even just a rubber band, depending on how low-tech you want to be. Okay, good luck to you. Bye.